Today I will be sharing part 1 of a 2-part mini-series featuring this chipmunk painting. I like to tone my surface with a brown tone. For this I chose raw sienna because it is a more yellow brown than burnt sienna. I thinned the paint with water so it was more translucent, allowing me to be able to see my sketch lines. Then I just used 2 simple colors, Mars Black and Titanium White, to do the rest of the painting. Ultimately, this is going to be an oil over acrylic painting. So why would I do an underpainting in acrylics and not just do it all in oils? The answer is quite simple, in that acrylics take a whole lot less time to dry. I completed this underpainting in just a few hours. If I had done this in oil and had to wait for dry times, this would have taken at least a week. I will be posting the oil portion of this painting soon, so make sure you are subscribed and let me know what you think of this underpainting in the comments. You can also find me on Instagram, links in the video description.